Some tips today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Portugal. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, let's go and open description and click on link eSim voyfly.com. Alright, open voyfly.com or open voyfly.com country, Portugal, and click on this and write Portugal and click on this. Open this page and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed data. Okay, click on unlimited and choose a speed plane, light, plus, premium. I'm selected premium plus, premium speed plane, and selected days. Alright, I'm selected 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply. Yeah, this is good. Total $150.25 and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM or write email, payment and billing countries and click on Pay now and buy a SIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video.